to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious zucchini pupusa that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. Of course, when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients: mozzarella cheese, tomato, chicken bouillon, onion, zucchinis, masa for tortillas already pre-made. I have pickled cabbage. You already have this pickled cabbage for the pupusas on my channel. And you have the salsa, especially for these pupusas. The recipe, you could find it on my channel very easily. I'll leave the descriptions on the bottom. Let's get ready. Let's enjoy these zucchini pupusas at home. So let's get started. I am ready to start with my zucchini and my tomato. Let's go to the sink and let's rinse them out. These zucchinis are organic. They are from my garden, and now we just want to rinse them out very nicely. These are completely done. I'm gonna start slicing my onion and then cutting it in really small little pieces. And the same way, I'm gonna cut my tomato. I'm gonna slice it through the middle and then start slicing it until I have really tiny squares. Okay, these are done. I'm gonna get my zucchinis and I'm gonna cut the edges and then cut them through the center because I'm gonna put them in my food processor. Look at this. Look what I've done. Okay, this is my food processor, and now I'm ready to start adding one by one until I am completely done shredding my zucchini. I am completely done. Let me show you how this looks. I'm gonna get a little bit and I wanna show it to you from close up so that you could see it. And now I'm gonna transfer everything here. Okay, this is done. I have a saucepan, nice and hot, and I'm adding just a couple of teaspoons of vegetable oil. We wanna cook it for 3 minutes and then add our tomato. Cook it for another 3 minutes and add our chicken bouillon. Chicken bouillon is to taste. Now I am ready to start adding all the zucchini. We just want to cook it for 3 minutes. Once you cook it for 3 minutes, this is done. Now I am ready to just transfer it to a plate where I had it before. And then to this, I'm adding my cheese, mozzarella cheese and Monterey cheese. What a perfect combination. I'm going to take it to I'm going to add the rest of it. Be generous with your cheese. And I'm going to take it to the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here I have my skillet nice and hot, and I'm just adding just a little bit of vegetable oil, and with a napkin I'm going to remove it. I am doing this so it doesn't stick. The pupusa doesn't stick. And here, look at this. I'm making a little indentation right in the center of the tortilla, and now I am adding the mixture of the zucchini in the center. Let's fold it. Let's make sure that we cover it completely, and this side is going to go right on the bottom of the plastic. And now with my hand, I'm just gonna push it around until I make it nice in a little circle like a tortilla. Just like this. Be careful, okay? Once you've made it just like this, now I am ready to put it on my hot skillet. Let me make one more so that you could see how easy and how you could make it at home and enjoy it with your family. This is a very easy process where you just make this little indentation in the center. You add your mixture and then you just cover it. Make sure that you don't add too much or else it'll be too difficult to cover. Okay, this side is going to go side down, and let me put it on the bottom, cover it with the other piece of plastic, and then just press on it. Look how easy it is. If I could do it, you could do it. And of course, you could enjoy it at home with your family. Okay, this is done. I will continue making the rest. So I'll see you back in a little bit. Okay, I have 4 already here, and now it's time to flip them. They're gonna be on that side for about 3 minutes. And let's flip every single one. These pupusas really come out so delicious, and they are so healthy at the same time. Okay, once you see all that cheese coming out of the pupusa, you know that it's gonna take just a couple more minutes and these pupusas are going to be done. Look how they look. Nice and crispy. When the cheese starts coming out, it gets nice and fluffy. And now let me flip them one more time. Look how crispy they look from the top. It's all that cheese that was oozing out. They are nice and puffy, and we just need to flip them one more time. And look at this. They just smell delicious and of course healthy. Okay, let's go ahead and let's start flipping them one more time. Let me show you how the other side looks. This just looks amazing. They're gonna be on this side for just a couple seconds. And now this is completely done, and I am ready for the presentation. And of course, I just want to taste this pupusa. See you in a bit. Completely done with these delicious pupusas of zucchini. You know something, the zucchinis, you know, they are organic from my yard, but this is the part I really love and enjoy. This is a very delicious and traditional recipe from El Salvador. My husband is from El Salvador, and I learned how to make these delicious zucchini pupusas. But let me stop talking because I really want to taste these delicious zucchini pupusas. They have, of course, a lot of cheese, and you eat them, you know something, just with your hands. So let me get some curtido. You have the pickled cabbage already, the recipe, you already have it on my channel. The same thing with the pupusa salsa, you already have it on my channel. I hope you really consider it and do this delicious zucchini pupusa. Excuse me. You know something, with all that cheese and all that zucchini and the little salsa, what this is just perfection. Excuse me. This just came out so delicious that I know that your family is going to love it and enjoy it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video with your friends, with your family, with your neighbors, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a good and delicious recipe, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best, peace and love. And of course, I will continue enjoying this delicious zucchini pupusa. See you soon in my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.